3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process where a machine creates a three-dimensional object by building it layer by layer from a digital design. In robotics, 3D printing plays a powerful role in designing and building custom parts quickly and affordably. Imagine you're building a robot and need a unique shaped bracket to hold a sensor. Instead of ordering it or machining it from metal, you can design the part using software and then print it out on a 3D printer with a turnaround of only a few hours. This is known as rapid prototyping. Within hours, you can now design, test, and refine robot parts. 3D printing is also cost-effective. It's significantly less expensive to print a one-off part than to manufacture it through traditional means. This also allows for greater customization. Since every robot is built differently, 3D printers let you make components that fit your own specific design, and all done within a single day. 3D printers are a major tool in the robotics and manufacturing industries, and they will continue to play an important role for the foreseeable future. At Camino College, the robotics program enables students to have access to different types of 3D printers, and more are incoming. Enroll today.